How is AI reshaping jobs, and what are the limits employers see? The answer is already showing up in hiring, where companies are automating screening, testing, and support, but they still need people for judgment, creativity, and leadership. Job seekers are running into AI long before they ever meet a recruiter. The tools now show up in resume parsing, video interview analysis, chatbots that answer common questions, and real-time application screening. That means AI is not just helping employers sort candidates faster, it is changing the first gate into work itself. The search interest now makes sense, because people want to know whether software is deciding who gets through and where humans still step in. The World Economic Forum report says AI is rapidly reshaping the skills employers want most from workers. The emphasis is shifting toward human skills such as judgment, creativity, and leadership. That is the real signal inside the report. Companies are not only buying more software, they are changing what they reward in workers. The most valuable professionals in this transition will not be the ones who were replaced, but the ones who can work alongside the change. The biggest employer response is not mass replacement, it is retraining. According to the WEF report, 85% of employers plan to prioritize workforce upskilling because of AI. That tells you where the pressure is landing, on the people already inside companies. Employers are trying to keep talent useful as the tools change the work around them, which is why training is now part of the AI strategy. The report also points to roles that have grown 35% since 2019. That growth matters because it shows AI is not only taking work away, it is also creating demand around the new systems it powers. But the limits are just as clear. The more companies automate routine tasks, the more they rely on people who can handle judgment calls, leadership decisions, and creative work that software cannot fully cover. The clearest takeaway is simple. AI is now part of hiring and job design, but employers still see a hard ceiling on what it can do. The winners in this shift are the workers who can move into judgment, creativity, leadership, and the new systems around them.